This is speed math. No colors, no boring talk, no extraneous explanations. We're just going to solve the problem. Speed math. Let's find time. How long did an object accelerate? How long? How long is time? So time is what we're looking for. If it began, this is giving us the initial stuff. 10 meters, di equals 10. From a point with a velocity, began with a velocity of 8, vi equals 8 meters per second. And accelerates at a rate of 6 meters per second. And we're looking for t. But it ends up, d sub f equals 125 meters. Get ready. This is going to be a little more tricky. Write the equation. df equals di plus vit plus 1/2 a t squared. 125 meters equals di 10 meters plus vit 8 times 6. So 8, nope, t is the unknown, 8 meters per second t plus 1/2, a is 6, t squared. We have t in two terms. This is not going to be easy. We're going to solve for 0. 0 equals 10 minus 125, and that's meters, plus 8. The seconds on t are going to be around, plus 3 t squared. That's 8 meters t squared. We're not accustomed to seeing the exponent at the end. 0, and I'm going to combine these terms, equals 3 t squared plus 8t plus 100 minus 115. 0 equals, guess what? This is why we learn to factor. T is going to be there in both places. Where's what going to go? The only factors for 115 are 5 and 23. 5 and 23. But if I take 3 times 5, that gives me 15, and 23 minus 15 is going to give me 8. So I am going to need the 5 to be negative, and because then I put the 3 in here, and then that's going to put the 23 here. So that foils out to give us 8 in the middle, because that would be negative 15 and positive 23t. Now we just solve each of these for 0. So 0 equals 3t plus 23, and 0 equals t minus 5. Do this side first. Add 5 to both sides. 5 equals t. That is a good answer. Now I'm going to subtract 23 from both sides. Minus 23 equals 3t. Divide both sides by 3. Negative 23 over 3 equals t. Time cannot be a negative, so we are left with this answer. Solved. I do want to add that you can use quadratic formula. That if you know how to use the quadratic formula, you don't have to factor it. You could just take the coefficients, plug them in the quadratic formula. That is another technique that would result in these same two numbers. which, again, you would throw out the negative because in classical physics, time cannot go backwards. And that is an equal sign, not a minus. That's it.